cool like the cat and get the year-round lasting protection that Owens Corning Roofing delivers.